How to cash out on Doordash. Doordash offers two ways for Dashers to cash out their earnings. The first way is FastPay. This allows Dashers to cash out their earnings instantly for a fee of $1.99. And the second way is direct deposit. This allows Dashers to cash out their earnings once a day for free. To use FastPay, Dashers must have a linked debit card. To link a debit card, Dashers can follow these steps. Open the Doordash app and go over to the Accounts tab. Tap on Payment Methods, tap on Add Bank Account, and then enter the debit card information and tap Add Bank Account. Once the debit card is linked, Dashers can cash out their earnings by following these steps. Open up the Doordash app and go over to the Earnings tab. You then can select Cash Out and then enter the amount you want to cash out and then click the Cash Out button. To use direct deposit, Dashers must have a bank account that is rolled in direct deposit. To enrol a bank account in direct deposit, Dashers can follow these steps. Open the Doordash app and go to the Accounts tab. Tap Payment Methods. Tap Direct Debit and then enter the bank account information and tap Add Bank Account. Once the bank account is enrolled, Dashers will receive their earnings once a day. And here are some things to keep in mind when you are cashing out on Doordash. The minimum amount you can cash out is $1. The maximum amount you can cash out per day is $1,000. There is a fee of $1.99 for using FastPay, and there is no fee for using direct deposit. So that is how you can cash out on Doordash. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.